Welcome to the very first episode of Drone News UK. This is our brand new weekly show where we'll bring you the latest drone stories, safety updates, and no-fly zone alerts all in one place. If you're a drone pilot in the UK, this is the show for you. We'll be here every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss an episode. Let's kick things off with this week's top stories. The Royal Navy's new drone that reaches distances from over 10,000 miles away. A Russian drone that violates NATO airspaces. And the CEA releases new eVTOL safety insights. The Royal Navy has achieved a breakthrough with its 40-foot Excalibur submarine drone. In trials carried out under the AUKUS Defence Pact, Excalibur was remotely piloted from Australia over 10,000 miles away while operating off the coast of the UK. This huge autonomous undersea vehicle is designed for long-endurance missions, seabed monitoring, and payload delivery. It is part of the CETAS project aimed at expanding the UK's unmanned maritime capability. Experts say this trial shows the future of naval operations, unmanned submarines operating for weeks at a time without putting sailors at risk. Next, Poland has lodged a formal protest after a Russian explosive drone crashed in its territory this week. The drone, identified as Jabura decoy with a Chinese engine, damaged buildings in eastern Poland but caused no casualties. It's another reminder of how drones are playing an increasingly tense role in international security, and how NATO countries are having to constantly monitor their airspace. And for our final story, the UK Civil Aviation Authority has released new safety insights for the eVTOL aircraft, the electric vertical takeoff and landing systems set to play a role in future urban transport. The CAA's guidance touches on pilot training, flight corridors, and emergency planning, laying the groundwork for how eVTOLs and advanced drones will safely operate in crowded city skies. While these are only still in development, these insights could soon shape how regulators handle both eVTOLs and advanced drone operations. Now on to drone safety. This week, drone pilots should note, no major UK fly zones or NOTAMs have been issued, but always check before flying near airports, stadiums, or special events. The CEA's new eVTOL guidance is only advisory for now, but it signals a growing focus on urban and drone safety. Now it's over to you. Each week we will showcase one of our favourite drone shots that you send in. As it's the first week we're doing this week's photo is from myself, from an amazing shot that I took a couple weeks back. If you want to see your work featured in next week's episode, send us your best drone photo at josh@dronesalesuk, link down below in the description. And that wraps up the very first episode of Drone News UK. This is something new that we're doing every week, so we'd love to know what you think. Drop a comment down below or hit like and subscribe so you can never miss an update. And remember, you can send in your drone photos for a chance to be featured next Friday. Thanks for being here for episode 1. Here's to many more. And as always, fly safe.